Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that they are unable to type anything because keyboard keeps freezing or vanishing. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. First, close all apps and reopen it. Swipe up the screen from bottom to center until you getting the close app. Swipe up the app's preview to close. Now reopen the app and use keyboard to check if it's working or not. Solution 2. Reset keyboard's dictionary. For that, navigate to settings. Find and tap on general. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Select reset keyboard dictionary. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap reset dictionary to confirm the process. Solution 3. First, restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release this button when you see slide to power off. Keep holding this button until Apple logo appears. Solution 4. Update iOS. To check the update availability of your iPhone, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Reset all settings. This process will reset your all customized settings to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. For that, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.